We have a new product announcement for you. It is our omega-3 gummy bites. I love that.
Yes.
We're excited about this product for a variety of reasons. I think right off the bat, Dr. Crystal, what makes this unique?
It's the delivery system. In nature, you find food packaged like a piece of salmon, okay? It's packaged in lipid droplets. That increases the surface areas to deliver more of that nutritious salmon fat, omega-3, to the body. And Life Extension took a cue from nature and formulated our gummy bites using that same idea, packaged in droplets, increasing the body's, our ability to deliver potent doses.
Hey, nature knows what it's doing, Dr. Crystal, right? So why not copy it? And that's what we did. And ultimately, it allows for the optimal dosing. That's what's key. We get the EPA at 300.
Yes, and the DHA at 225.
Right, so the EPA good for heart, brain,
Cardiovascular system.
cardiovascular.
The DHA is good for your eyes, neurological support,
And head to toe omega-3s, right?
joint health.
It's an head to toe, Dr. Crystal. Too sensitive to stuff.
Do you want me to do more?
No, it's okay. So omega-3s really should be a part of your daily supplementation, your daily dietary intake.
Great.
So this product allows for you to get high potency omega-3s for a really good tasting gummy. Tell us about the gummy.
Yeah, the gummy is sugar-free, non-GMO, gummy gluten-free as well. And best of all, it tastes good.
Yeah.
Free of artificial colors and flavors. In fact, this color is coming from paprika.
That's awesome.
That is super awesome. Life Extension, we have done it again. I'm so proud to be a part of this company.
And you mentioned the anchovies, right? This is anchovy.
Yes, wild anchovy.
They call it catch to
A short
gummy.
catch to capsule, but it's catch to gummy, meaning where we catch the anchovy, the South Pacific, the place where it's processed is right there.
Did you want to try one?
Yeah, so fresh. You see, we've been eating much.
We've been trying them. Anyways, so it's a great alternative to the everyday soft gel that you're probably used to.
Right.
And we're really excited about it because of that new delivery system. So check it out. It's Life Extension's Omega-3 Fish Oil Gummy Bite. Hey, and thanks for watching our live show. We really appreciate it. Comment, like, share, right? Let people know about this. And we'll see you on Wednesdays at noon Eastern time for our regular live show, right?
That's right.
Right, I'm Dr. Mike. Thanks for watching.